Welcome to my channel Modern Tech Insights. Today, we're diving into a topic that has been on the minds of marketers, entrepreneurs, and business owners alike. Why is online marketing better than offline marketing? Whether you're a seasoned marketer or someone just starting out, understanding the advantages of online marketing can truly transform your business strategy. So, stick around as we break it down into 5 key segments, each highlighting the unique benefits of online marketing over traditional offline methods. Segment 1: Reach and Audience Targeting. One of the most significant advantages of online marketing is its ability to reach a global audience. Unlike offline marketing, which is often limited by geographical constraints, online marketing knows no boundaries. With the internet, your message can be broadcasted to millions of people worldwide in just a few clicks. But it doesn't stop there. Online marketing platforms, like social media and search engines, allow you to target specific demographics with laser precision. Want to reach women aged 25 to 35 who are interested in fitness? No problem. Online marketing tools enable you to refine your audience, ensuring that your message is seen by the right people, at the right time. This level of targeting simply isn't possible with traditional offline methods, making online marketing a far more effective approach in reaching your ideal customers. Segment 2: Cost Effectiveness. When it comes to budget, online marketing is the clear winner. Traditional offline marketing strategies like TV commercials, billboards, and print ads can be incredibly expensive, often requiring a substantial upfront investment. In contrast, online marketing offers a range of cost-effective options. Platforms like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and email marketing allow you to set your budget, making it accessible for businesses of all sizes. Even with a small budget, you can achieve significant results through targeted campaigns and careful planning. Moreover, many online marketing tactics, such as content marketing and social media marketing, can be done organically, meaning you can generate traffic and leads without spending a dime. This cost efficiency is one of the key reasons why online marketing has become the preferred choice for modern businesses. Segment 3: Measurable Results. Another crucial advantage of online marketing is the ability to measure your results in real time. With traditional offline marketing, it's often challenging to track the success of your campaigns. How do you know how many people saw your billboard or how many new customers came from that radio ad? In contrast, online marketing provides detailed analytics that give you insights into every aspect of your campaign. Tools like Google Analytics, social media insights, and email marketing platforms allow you to track metrics such as clicks, conversions, engagement rates, and more. This data-driven approach enables you to make informed decisions, optimize your strategies on investment, ROI. The ability to measure results in real time is a game changer, giving online marketing a significant edge over offline methods. Segment 4: Flexibility and Adaptability. Online marketing also stands out for its flexibility and adaptability. In today's fast-paced digital world, the ability to quickly adjust your marketing strategy is crucial. Online marketing platforms allow you to make changes on the fly, whether it's tweaking your ad copy, adjusting your target audience, or reallocating your budget. This level of control is impossible with traditional offline marketing, where campaigns are often set in stone once they're launched. Moreover, online marketing offers a wide range of formats to choose from, including video, blogs, social media posts, podcasts, and more. This variety allows you to experiment with different types of content and find what resonates best with your audience. The flexibility and adaptability of online marketing make it a powerful tool for staying ahead in an ever-evolving market. Segment 5: Engagement and Interaction. Last but not least, online marketing excels in fostering engagement and interaction. Unlike offline marketing, which is often a one-way communication channel, online marketing encourages a two-way dialogue between brands and consumers. Social media platforms, for example, allow you to interact with your audience in real time, responding to comments, answering questions, and building relationships. This level of engagement helps to create a loyal customer base and can turn casual followers into brand advocates. Additionally, online marketing offers opportunities for user-generated content, such as reviews, testimonials, and social shares, which can further boost your brand's credibility and reach. The interactive nature of online marketing not only enhances customer experience but also provides valuable insights into consumer behavior, helping you refine your strategy and improve your offerings. Conclusion? In conclusion, while traditional offline marketing has its place, the advantages of online marketing are undeniable. From its unparalleled reach and audience targeting to its cost-effectiveness, measurable results, flexibility, and engagement potential, online marketing offers a superior approach to building and growing your brand in the digital age. So, if you're still relying solely on offline methods, it might be time to explore the vast opportunities that online marketing has to offer.